Thank you so much for joining me as I tell you about our new program that we're all very excited about, Lali Class. Lali Class is Learn Another Language Immersion Class. In this program, we have put together a wonderful group of teachers that are ready and able to assist you. They're very professional and trustworthy, and they want to help you learn their native language. Can you imagine? This is what you've been waiting for. This is a personalized one-on-one tutoring class in where you have the availability to have this teacher for either 30-minute sessions or 1-hour sessions once a week or every day of the week if you want to practice that foreign language that you've always wanted to learn. And maybe you've taken a class through a software program. Maybe you've taken classes at your local college or the local school. But you still find that you need to converse, that you still need to get more acquainted and practice the language, right? But there's really nothing available for you. And so here is the answer. Here's the opportunity that you've been waiting for. Because I know that not all people have the money nor the time to travel abroad and practice and be fully immersed in the language. But from the comfort of your home, you now have the opportunity to practice this foreign language with one of our teachers. They are excellent teachers and they have the passion to help you learn the foreign language that you've been wanting to learn. They'll sit down with you through a Skype call and they will email that Skype ID to you once you've booked your class. And they'll communicate with you. So you will need a Skype ID and you will need a headset like the one I have here with a microphone and a webcam video so that you can connect with your teacher. Which is the way to do that, you ask? Well, let me show you. Right here, you would have to visit laliclass.com, L-A-L-I class.com. And you will find our website. As you see here, there's different information to contact us. You want to find out more about Lali Class. You want to find out more about me. You can do that. But to book your session now, you click on Book Your Session Now, and you'll see our booking page right here where there's also more information about us. And we are offering right now Spanish language immersion classes for 30 minutes or for 60 minutes. As you can see here, these prices are very, very competitive. They are absolutely comparable to any affordable violin or piano lesson that you may chosen. And these classes we have made very affordable because we know that people may have a tight budget, but you know that is not to keep you from practicing and learning a foreign language. I mean, you never know how these classes are going to come in handy in the future because you want to, as opposed to the person that just took the software classes and that can maybe speak a little bit of Spanish, you are never going to have to be able to compare that to the full classes that we are going to offer you and where you are going to perfect your foreign language speaking. You're going to perfect your pronunciation. You're going to perfect the structure of the sentences and you're going to say them the same way that we say them. Because I am a native Ecuadorian and I have talked to people that have taken 3 years of a software program or even a class at a local college or a local high school. And it's still not ever the same. You need full immersion to learn to speak a foreign language. All right, so here in our booking page, you're going to book for 60 minutes. I think 60 minutes straight will probably give you not only the better price, but it gives you the opportunity to practice more and get really immersed in the conversation for that day. We have 2 staff members right now providing you classes in Spanish. Carmen Mallorca, as you'll see in her schedule, works from 9 to 3 in the afternoon, and Iris Margarlin works from 3 in the afternoon to 7 p.m. So you can book classes between 9 in the morning to 7 p.m. And this is Eastern Standard Time, so that you can book your classes and you have available classes from Monday through Friday. All right. So let's say that you're going to book with Carmen Mallorca. You're going to go to April 9th, which is when our classes start. And on April 9th, you'll see that there's already been people that have booked for those classes for certain hour slots right here. But let's say that your student or you are going to take classes at noon for 1 hour. And so you put your contact information here so that you can book your 60-minute Spanish language immersion class. And do you know what the best part is? That for the payment, it's very easy. If you have a PayPal account, you click submit and you are going to be able to pay for your classes immediately. All right, so my suggestion would be that you book, you pay per class. In other words, if you book for 1 hour, you'll pay for that 1 hour. If you want to book 4 hours, you book your classes individually and you pay for each one of those classes. The system will remind you a day before about your classes. So you basically just need to be connected through your email, and the system will be reminding you. Your teachers will also be available through email to answer any questions that you have, and of course to provide you with their Skype ID so that you can connect with them. And as you can see, this is very easy to do. All you need is to have the determination that you are ready to start practicing a foreign language the right way now, through full immersion, by having this one-on-one personalized teacher that is willing to help you perfect the language by getting the words right, by getting the sentence structure right, and by allowing you to ask questions about their culture and how they do things. I mean, that's something that you can only get if you traveled abroad and stay there for a certain amount of time, which you're avoiding all of those costs by simply getting yourself with this particular teacher. So visit right now our website, laliclass.com. Book your session now. Our classes start on April 9th. We are asking for a 3-month commitment with a minimum of 1 hour booking per week. And with that, we guarantee that you are going to be seeing some wonderful, wonderful results at the end of June. So book your classes now. April 9th is the first class. We only have a certain amount of slots available, and we want you to be one of our students. Thank you and have a great day.